Hello, everybody. We're going to be presenting on the programmable machines, aka robots. This is Franklin Serrano.
I'm Corban Samoff.
And I'm Brett Odell.
So it is our pleasure to present this topic to you. So we're going to be talking about robots, and in specific, we're going to be mentioning how some companies are using this in order to um, make automation part of their procedures. So in specific, we're going to be talking about Amazon, and we're going to be mentioning some benefits that these technologies uh, has brought to the companies, and also some risks for the workers, and also how the industry has changed after this. So it is important to have in mind that this is part of the um, innovations that are leading us to the future of how industries are going to be working. So thanks for listening, and let's start.
Awesome. Before we get into the specific example, I'm going to just go over some of the benefits and risks that can come from implementing robots in the workplace. Throughout the time that robots have been used, there have been many different benefits and risks that have been seen. The first benefit is that jobs that require the supervision of robots require more qualified professionals. This decreases the amount of untrained laborers that are around a workplace and bringing more qualified professionals. As far as operating time, robots almost always speed up different processes. They help to automate things where people are slow, robots can always do things faster. And for efficiency and precision, robots will increase that as well because they can move faster and are stronger than we are and are more accurate. They can perform tasks with higher efficiency and more precision. Robots also come with some risks. Robots do take over the jobs of people, and that can be a problem in a world where we have lots of people who are unemployed and day laborer jobs are necessary. Um, so unemployment can be one risk of implementing robots more frequently. While robots are more efficient and precise, they can also be hazardous because they move faster and are stronger. And robots themselves aren't sentient beings. They just move and they can hurt people if you're not careful around them. Robots are also more expensive than hiring people. Usually they pay off, but it is an initial cost increase.
And the application we'll be covering is the Amazon warehouses, uh, purchased from Kiva Systems. It created competition in how quickly a company can respond to customer orders. Some of the benefits, as far as safety goes, is it dramatically reduced the amount that the employees were walking. Previously, according to uh, one of the founders of a supply chain company consultancy, they were walking something like 12 miles a day across concrete. And if you're not young, then the repetitive motion can be damaging and can be have long-term health consequences. However, one of the other consequences was that while they were, um, because more stuff was coming in more quickly, the people who were lifting and sorting and stacking things were doing much more of that. So they, according to one study, tripled the amount of items they were stacking. And so that's picking up 3 times as many things. And according to a article published by The Atlantic, after Amazon debuted the robots in Tracy, California 5 years ago, the serious injury rate there nearly quadrupled, going from 2.9 per 100 workers in 2015 to 11.3 in 2018. So it was an unexpected side effect of people doing more. More efficiency means that those people have to do the same task more often, resulting in an unexpected spike in injuries.
Yes, that's interesting because robots were able to help in a lot of different scenarios, but they can't fix everything because they're just robots and they can only do what we designed them to do. So maybe one day they'll design robots that can help with lifting. And that's the cool thing, is that there's no end really to the innovation in robotics and what it can do to help us. So yeah, that's our presentation. Here's our source about the case study. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.